Reliable conversion. Converts 12-volt vehicle battery power to 120-volt AC household power, ideal for running computers, cell phones, lights, power tools, and TVs in cars, trucks, boats, SUVs, and RVs. Handy power. Provides you with 2 AC outlets. Simplified usability. Simple controls and on-off switch. Easy to attach. Connect directly to your vehicle's battery with heavy-duty clamps or plugs into the vehicle's 12-volt accessory outlet. Always safe. High-speed, built-in fan ensures constant, cool operation. Surge protection defends against damaging current fluctuations. Top reviews from the United States. I mounted this under the driver's seat of my 2015 Ram Crew Cab 1500. There is a convenient body plug to bring the power wires in right there, and I can reach the power switch between the door and seat while driving. Run a duplex plug out to the left of the little console in front of the front bench seat, and I have way better wattage than the 150 that Ram offers. This will start and run my oilless air compressor we use for camping and what 120V things I need on the road. Small enough to fit, big enough to do something.